Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to get Cydia on your iOS 12.3.1 device instantly without having to connect it to your computer or anything like that. And this is untethered, by the way. It actually only takes a couple minutes. It's super easy to do, guys. It's great for beginners who want to jailbreak their devices and don't want to do a bunch of crazy stuff. So I'm just going to open that app and show you. It has all the features. As you can see, this works. This is completely working, guys. It's super easy to do. It's super easy to use. So I'm just going to show you guys. I have 12.3.1 on my device right now, so I'm just going to go to About, and I just don't want you guys to see my serial number. I hope you can respect that. So as you can see, I'm on 12.3.1, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got Cydia, so just follow along. So what you want to do is you want to get out Safari. Alright, so yeah, I'm pretty sure this only works on Safari, so go to www.apphacks.co/Cydia. Now there's a website, guys, apphacks.co/Cydia. So now basically this is going to get you a completely functional Cydia profile. Now I'm just going to leave this link here for a bit, just so you guys can all get a chance to see it. I'm going to try and watermark the video as well with the URL, but this should do for now. So yeah, I'm going to walk you guys how to do this exactly, apphacks.co/Cydia. Now just click the go button on your browser, alright? And alright, so now you just want to click allow, close. Alright, now you want to go to your settings, okay? And you want to go to general and go to profiles. Now here it is, downloaded profile, install. I'm just entering my passcode. Alright, next, install. Alright, done. See, now you will have Cydia on your device. There it is, right there. Again, guys, it's fully functional. I just updated it actually. But yeah, guys, you get access to every single Cydia feature there is. You don't have to connect it to your computer. You don't have to, you don't have to do anything crazy. It is untethered completely. As you can see, it only took you like 2 minutes to do it. So I'm just going to show you guys. So when you click manage account, you do have to do the injection. So right now it is in the sandbox mode right now, but to actually make it functional you have to do an injection. So when you click start injection, you will just have to install and open 2 apps that have the injection software in it and leave them open for over 60 seconds so all the files get transferred over. And sometimes you might have to like get to a certain level on a game, and that will install the injection files. But other than that, it's super easy. It only takes 2 minutes. But yeah, most of the time you'll only have to install and open 2 apps for over 60 seconds to get the injection done. But sometimes you'll just have to like play a game like 3 times or like get to a certain level in a game, and then the injection starts from there. But yeah, guys, it's super easy to use. It's got all the features that you would want. It's crazy, honestly. I don't even think there's a way to jailbreak 12.3.1 right now, but I know this way works, and it just so happens to be the easiest way to do it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have fun getting Cydia on your phone. I'm just going to show you guys the link one more time, apphacks.co/Cydia. Alright, there it is, guys. Get over there right away. Get this while it still works. Thanks for watching.